guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be cooking a sticky rice. This is the brand rice I'm using, Layla gluten-free sticky rice and tofu. And here I have some peppers, onions and mushroom and some chili, of course. So let's get cooking. So I've gone ahead and prepared my slicing, dicing, chopping and cutting off camera just to save time on this video. So we're going to go straight into cooking. So first we had a small tin of coconut cream and 2 tablespoons of butter and a small pinch of salt to a pot, and we dissolved the butter. Then we had in our sticky rice, a bit of water, just enough to cover the rice. Then we cover and let it cook. This rice literally takes about 30 minutes to cook. After about 10 minutes, we open the pot and we stir the rice so that butter that is settled on top can go straight in. We cover again and leave it to cook. So now our rice is ready. We're gonna put the rice aside and then we start on our tofu. In a pan, we're gonna add any oil of your choice. Here I'm using sunflower oil. And then guys, I'm so sorry, I thought that it was recording when I was seasoning my tofu, but unfortunately it was. But I can list the ingredients I used to season my tofu, and the reason why it's having that color is because of the soy sauce that I added to it. So we fry our tofu on both sides, and it's the first time using this brand tofu, and it has an eggy texture about it, which I'm not really sure how it's gonna taste. So after frying our tofu in another pot, we had the same oil from the tofu, which we're gonna use to stir fry our vegetables. We stir fry our vegetables for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's tender but not too soft. After about 5 minutes, we open and then we're going to be adding our tofu to it. But before we add our tofu, I go ahead and I add my covered spices to it, which I'm using celery, that's brown celery, I'm using black pepper, I'm using Maggi and a bit of garlic powder and some sea salt. Then I had a bit of barbecue sauce. As I said, tofu can be very bland if you don't season it up properly. So in order to get a nice taste from it, I just season my tofu just like how you'd season a regular meat. Then I had a bit of water, less than about a 1/4 cup of water. Then we add in our tofu to the mix. After adding our tofu, we're just going to cover and leave it to cook down for about 5 minutes. And this aroma that is coming from this pot is to die for. This smells so nice. So just add in a bit of rosemary, and then this is ready to enjoy. So nice textures, not watery. The sauce is very thick and looks sumptuous. So we had a bit of quilted spinach. Then we're gonna spoon our sticky rice on top. You can see the nice green spinach at the bottom. Then we had our tofu on top, and this was delicious, guys. Please try this recipe. You would really love it. It was so tasty. My family enjoyed it. Not that small amount you see on the plate, but a bigger bit. Thank you for watching. God bless and bye-bye.